Bismillah, alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalam ala rasulillah. Assalamu alaikum. Learn Tajweed the easy way, lesson 10a, in which we will learn the Makhraj of letters Jim, Sheen and Ya. We are learning Makhraj using letter poem and putting fatha on every letter. So let's start. Ma, ba, wa, fa are from the lips. Tongue has many, 12 from the tip. Remember, these are low sounding letters and thick and high and very thick and high. Low, thick, high, very thick and high. So we started with tha, the, dha, ta, da, ta, za, sa, sa, and we have also learned la, na, ra. Ra is thick. And now we will start with the left hand. From its middle R, from the middle of the tongue, ja, sha, ya. Ja. How do you say ja? Touch the middle, not the edge. Don't touch the edge. Don't say ja, ja, ja. No. Touch the middle of the tongue. That's how Arabic Jim is. To the palate or roof of the mouth. So repeat after me 3 times. Ja. 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 Similarly, the middle of the tongue is close to touching the palate or roof of the mouth when you say sha. Repeat. Sha. 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 Similar is the makhraj for ya. Okay. Repeat. Ya. 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 Alright. Or I. Here you should not say like I. You don't say Dubai. Dubai. So that I should be there. So repeat after me 3 times. I. 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 Ya is like English yes. But when you say ye, there is probability that you may miss it and you may say E. So make sure you say ye. So repeat after me. Ya, ye, you. Ya, ye, you. Ya, ye, you. Ya, ye, you. So it's not E or U. Ye and you should be clear. Similarly, yan, yin, yun. Yan, yin, yun. Yan, yin, yun. Yan, yin, yun. Let's take some words now. Alayhim, 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 alayhim. You don't say alayhim, huh? Alay. Similarly, next one. Yawmi, 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 yawmi. It's not yawmi. Yaw. Okay. Next one. And here, take care of the ye sound. Okay. Yuhyi, 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 yumitu, 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 yumitu. When you say u, you make your lips round, but you say you. Alright? Alright, that's it for now. Jazakumullah khair. Wassalamu alaikum. Please visit understandquran.com for our courses on Read Al-Quran, Learn Tajweed, and Understand Al-Quran, and for one-to-one learning. Jazakumullah khair. Wassalamu alaikum.